Welcome to the channel, and I guess you can call it the home of the Bondo bomb, and I will get to that in about 2 seconds. First matter is definitely got to clear up something that was identified in the last video when we decided to do our wall art. So this one's for you, John. First job on order when we got together the other day, Mitch and I got the tail lights sorted out, and they're in the correct spot. John pointed out that we had the backup lights on the inboard portion of the tail panel, and they should have been in the middle, and he's correct. And we decided to go one step further, and we added a little magic trick to it. We got our LED lights, and watch this trick. Alexa, turn on the Merc.
Okay.
So now we can just walk in and on command get our tail lights working. So anyway, so that's first order of business here. Second order of business, just trying to get these welds cleaned up. This is the door panel now. It is tack welded in. Still got to do across the bottom. We were leaving that until we made a couple more decisions about the depth over there where all the Bondo was. And it's also tack welded down here. I guess you can see that from the outside. You can see there's tack welds there. So this panel's actually fastened, and the other piece is over there. But we got a pretty good fitment. We might just have to shave. There's a little bit of a lip under it just to set it down a little farther because, of course, the difference is this has to be flush and consistent, whereas the additional piece creates a line underneath it where, of course, that's not going to be. So that's the other order of business. When I said Bondo bomb, I wasn't kidding. I don't know how well it'll show up on the video, but you can see that actually everything in the entire shop is covered in Bondo dust, and this is why we got really lucky with the door panel we used over there. It was in good shape. But here's the one for the passenger side. And I didn't get any footage before I started on this. But you see this line that runs consistently through here. Well, somewhere along the way, the door got creased real good. And instead of hammering out the metal, they filled it all with Bondo. So there was about almost 3/8 of an inch worth of Bondo. And it was I felt like a gold digger for a couple of hours because it took quite a while to get it all out of there. But now it's out and I've started hammering it. I've got a little more dolly work to do, but we've got a much more consistent panel than what we had there at first. So that needs just a bit more work. I'm trying to get this prepped up because Mitch is coming back tomorrow. We got a part day in here that panel's been cut to fit. And we tack welded our B pillar in that we've been working on. We sort of took it a piece at a time, just trying to make sure that we weren't going to catch ourselves. But the fit is good, and most of all, we'll be getting that door panel in here, and you can see that our piece, the door panel, like this would be the quarter panel skin going on here. You'll see that we're going to wind up with a pretty good alignment. We left this loose because this just has to be tucked in a tiny little bit, and then the door panel follows this down and finishes off this little area here. It's not bad. Of course, it'll be done the same way as the other side there. So that's kind of the update of where we're at. We're hoping to get this tack welded all in tomorrow, and then we'll be moving to the back. That's why the trunk lid is over there, because we're going to start working on those trunk rails and get everything established where it should be over there. So that's the majority. I did forget, we received one more piece from Ford Vintage Parts. They're a licensed or an authorized Ford parts dealer, and well, anyways, I'll bring it in on the next video. And I'm sorry, I'm all sweaty, I'm all dusty, and it's kind of warm actually today. But I want to insert a thanks to a couple of people. You know, when we started this YouTube channel, Had no idea that, we're going to kind of start making some friends, I guess all around the world, because a pretty steady communication with Steve, who's from Estonia. He has a channel called The Hoarding Hermit. Steve's got a wealth of knowledge about old tractors and a lot of Russian equipment and trucks, and actually he knows quite a bit about cars and that too. He's presented to me some very interesting models of vehicles that I wasn't really aware of. So, check out Steve, The Hoarding Hermit on YouTube. Blair Smith, of course. I had no idea I'd ever meet Blair, and I met Blair, and I'm very happy I have, because then I've also been able to continue to follow him. He's another man with a ton of knowledge. So make sure you go subscribe to Blair. Doug Ellis Car Customs, has given us a couple of shout-outs now, and mostly we're just through comments from video to video, but Doug's seems like a great guy. I don't know him personally, but he sure seems like a really nice guy, and that is definitely part of the reason that he has established quite a following. And then I just spoke the other day to another YouTuber that I guess I'm starting to get to know. That is Will from Old Man in Fesserton. So go check out Will's channel. That's Old Man in Fesserton, and give him a sub. He's another really great guy, and I'll let a small cat out of the bag. We're hoping that maybe the end of the month or so we can pay him a visit, because he's less than 3 hours away from us here in Ontario. So he's in what we call the Great White North. So there may actually be a video channel collab. That would be a first for us for sure. So we'll be coming back at you with some more. Definitely going to get the blowgun out and blow the living tar out of this garage, because what a mess, man. Holy cow, I can't believe how much Bondo was in that door. I think that's what I got for today. I need a shower. I'm going to try to finish grinding the rest of those welds first, and maybe hammer on this door before tomorrow comes. And I got to cut the grass. There's still all these household chores. If the wife comes home and sees that I didn't cut the grass, you know what I'm going to get, right? No beer for you, right? So thanks for watching, and have a great day. Wait a minute. You forgot a couple of things. So unreliable. We're down a team member this week. Tim is out west at his daughter's wedding, and we want to wish his family the best. We hope they have a fantastic day. And since when do we do a video that has no music? We don't. Enjoy the video. Have a great day.